Chronic inflammation is a lingering, often unnoticed condition that can contribute to numerous health problems, such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. While conventional medicine offers various treatments, many individuals are seeking natural remedies to manage inflammation. One such remedy gaining popularity is the consumption of turmeric drinks. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Asian cuisine, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. This video explores how drinking turmeric drink can help reduce chronic inflammation and enhance overall health. Understanding chronic inflammation. Inflammation is a natural immune response to injury or infection, aiding the body in healing. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can have detrimental effects. Chronic inflammation occurs when the immune system continues to send inflammatory cells even in the absence of an infection or injury, leading to damage of healthy tissues and contributing to the development of various diseases. The power of curcumin. Curcumin, the primary active ingredient in turmeric, is responsible for its yellow color and most of its health benefits. Extensive studies have highlighted curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin inhibits several molecules that play significant roles in inflammation, effectively reducing chronic inflammatory responses. Benefits of turmeric drink: reduced inflammatory markers. Regular consumption of turmeric drink can lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, which is associated with chronic diseases. Improved joint health. For individuals with arthritis, turmeric drink can alleviate symptoms by reducing joint inflammation and pain. Enhanced immune function. By modulating the immune response, turmeric drinks can help the body better manage inflammatory conditions. Overall health improvement. The antioxidant properties of curcumin can protect against cellular damage, promoting overall health and well-being. Conclusion: incorporating turmeric drink into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to combat chronic inflammation. Its active ingredient, curcumin, offers significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, making it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. As with any natural remedy, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting new dietary supplements, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions or those taking medications.